Hey, what's up, you guys? I am Morris Smith, longtime real estate agent and real estate investor. And in today's video, I will be showing you how to renovate a property from start to finish, step by step. Okay, so step one will be hire a contractor. Okay, so when you are renovating distressed properties, you want to make sure you assess the property from the interior to the exterior. Now, what does this include? This includes windows. Okay, this also includes the roof. You want to make sure that the roof, if it does need repairing, you want to make sure you tackle that as well. And we also want to look at the structure. If it has cracks in the foundation, if it has cracks in the walls or in the drywall, we want to make sure that we tackle those before we do anything else. This is why it's good to bring a contractor along with you. Okay, so in order to create a rehab budget for renovating a property, you want to make sure you know exactly what the costs are. From your doors to your floors, from your floors to your windows, from upgrading your light fixtures. Also, you want to know about, what your kitchen cabinets are going to run you, and also countertops. Okay, so all of those are important. And also the appliances, from your dishwasher, refrigerator, stove, or what have you. All of those things are important. Okay. When you're renovating a property as well, you want to know about your toilets, how much those toilets are going to run you, your sinks, that's going to go into, your vanities, of course, that's going to go into your bathrooms. And if you need to replace a tub or whatever you plan on doing, you can also glaze a tub if it's already in the property. And you want to replace your shower if it needs replacing as well. Okay, so these are some of the steps that definitely want to take before you make a move and start, renovating a property. And the next thing would be step three. Okay, so in step three, you want to make sure that all your guys are licensed, from your licensed plumber, the electrical guy, your HVAC, even framing. Okay, so if you have to do any framing, which will include, doing your framing before you put up your drywall. Okay, because if you have to come in and put up drywall, or if you do a complete gut on the renovation, it needs to be inspected. And also, if you have any rotten wood, you need to replace the rotten wood before you move forward with your drywall or move forward with your electrical, plumbing, and HVAC. Okay. All right, and the next steps will be making sure you have the proper systems in place. If you have the proper systems in place, then you can renovate the property efficiently. Okay, and so a lot of times your budget is going to get ate up from electrical, plumbing, and HVAC. And so those are the things you want to focus on first. Okay, you want to focus on your plumbing, your HVAC, and your electrical, because then you'll be able to tell, all right, if I can spend more on my cabinets, I can spend more on my light fixture or my backsplash. Those are going to be important as you renovate your property. And you also want to make sure you know exactly how much your landscaping is going to be. This is important as well. You also want to know if you got to do any painting to the exterior. You want to know how much that's going to cost. This right here is full brick. We just decided to paint the brick. And if you have a full brick home, that don't mean you have to paint it. We just decided to paint it. And also the fascia boards. And your fascia board will be like your trim, like this right here. All of these are what you call fascia boards. All right. So all of these are important when you're trying to create a budget for your rehab. Now, last but not least, you want to make sure you get 2 to 3 estimates. And you also want to make sure you know an estimated time frame that the contractor will finish the work. Okay, now we already know sometimes things happen with projects, they do get behind, but you at least want to get an estimated time frame that the contractor will finish up. Now, I also recommend that you use a Excel file to keep up with expenses and receipts. So this is how we do it, and this what make the project run smoothly, and you can incorporate a lot of these into other rehabs that you do in the future. All right, guys, so I just showed you step by step how to renovate a property from start to finish. You already know my name is Morris Smith. I'm a long-time real estate agent and real estate investor, and I've been showing people how to do this for years, okay? I've helped people all across the world invest in real estate, and I hope that this video was able to help you on your next real estate investment journey.